Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Part 5 of this. And I've saved these all, 3 of these, the 2 butterflies, the butterflies with legs and antennas, and the dragonfly. And if you'd like them, just email me. I'll put my email at the bottom of the video. But I really like the new one. It puts it up at an angle because of the legs, and you can see the antennas, and it's really, really nice. I think I'm going to try to figure out a way to paint them where it's be orange and black. But anyway, I'll put my email at the bottom of this video. And for 2 reasons. One, if you want the file, just ask for it and I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you in X7. If you have an older version than that, let me know. I don't think I can save it past X5. But anyway, or if you just need help with a file or a problem in Corel, email me. I'd love to help you. But here's the dragonfly, and I really like the new butterfly because it's the legs kind of set it up at an angle, and it's pretty nice for a cheap gift for somebody or just a display for your house. Really simple. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.